You're missing a second Canucks card.
Here we go. Hobbybox604 back doing a second part of group break number 391. This is 92, and this is the second half of the master case of the new 14-15 Upper Deck Premier that just came out today. Okay, spot holders are Anaheim Ducks goes to Bob S. Arizona is Donovan's. Boston goes to Ernie. Buffalo is Andy. Calgary is Dave E. Carolina is Bob S. Chicago, Ricky. Colorado, Joe C. Columbus, White Balance. Dallas, Andy. Detroit, Nick K. Edmonton, Lee. Florida, Sam M. LA, Andy. Minnesota, Sean B. Montreal, Domi. Nashville, Joe C. New Jersey Devils, Sam B. New York Islanders, Rich F. New York Rangers, Sean B. Ottawa, Sean B. Philadelphia, Ricky M. Pittsburgh, Lee. St. Louis, Ken H. San Jose, Reinhardt. Tampa Bay, Ernie. Toronto, Kobe. Vancouver, Ricky. Washington, Domi. And Winnipeg, Domi. There you go. There is the list. Good luck, everyone. And here is the other half of that first case.
The gold judge checking if it's working.
Okay, the gold judge. It's working. We're going to hopefully hit that a few times.
Yeah, it's Toronto's.
Yeah, it stopped.
Doesn't it stop?
There is the empty.
Let's do it.
And we'll go there. First one is 379. Good luck, everyone.
Yes.
Good luck to the people in the room.
Yeah.
Oh, knuckle right away.
See it? That's a base?
Yep. We start with a base for the Vancouver Canucks, number 183 of 249, Daniel Sedin.
No. That's you, right, Ricky?
You're gonna give him the base card?
No. No, cheater? Pretending I was gonna press the Gustav.
Ooh.
Oh my God. Columbus.
Wow.
I thought it was Canucks.
For the Columbus Blue Jackets, a rookie patch autograph to 299, Alexander Wenberg.
That is a nice patch. Wow.
Nice patch.
They've
Look
all
at that.
been pretty nice.
Yeah, they.
Alexander Wenberg for Columbus and White Balance, number 100 of 299. Nice hit for the Blue Jackets. Next is inked inscriptions for the Ottawa Senators, number 31 of 99, Curtis Lazar. Ottawa is Sean B.
Was that called for?
First NHL goal, December 15, 2014.
Oh, that's what that means. Okay.
Yeah.
Captain Canada.
Shoulder logo coming up.
Canucks.
Number 1 of 3.
Nice.
Mega patch. Alexander Burrows.
Nice.
Wow.
That's a sick patch. 130 now. You guys? 130? No, left, yeah.
Ricky, you're just gonna keep pressing that.
That is
I told you you had
a
a
sick
second Canucks card.
Yeah,
patch.
thanks, Andy.
Ooh.
1 of 3.
of
Man.
3.
That's 1 of 3.
You got to get the other 2 put it together, man.
Yep. I'm already starting.
Nice hit.
He's
Wow.
gonna eBay look for 2.
Vancouver killed it.
Hey,
Yeah,
one more
well,
time, Andy.
Oh, yeah.
put that there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just remember, take the
next
card for
is a rookie jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, Yuri Sikach.
Sakash has come up a lot.
103 of 125.
You got traded
Hey,
for
Ernie,
that.
don't be a hater, man. I don't say bad things about Tampa.
But he's
He said that ruined the box. For the Edmonton Oilers, a rookie jersey, number 21 of 125, Oscar Clefbaum.
That's
Clefbaum
Lee's, right?
for the Oilers. And we finish this one with the base rookie, number 222 of 249 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Victor Rask.
I gotta see this card.
Yeah. That's sweet, gosh. Wow.
1 of 3.
Wow.
It's a shoulder logo.
What's up,
I think you
Keaton?
get one mega pack
What's up,
per
Grant?
case.
That's nice. Yeah, go ahead, man. That is a
This stuff is great, and it's already sold out through our distributors, guys.
Color.
Yeah.
355 is our second tin.
That's a 4-color pack.
Yeah.
Mega pack.
Silver, green, white.
Yeah, don't forget that part. Mega.
Where's the stand?
There's no stand. We'll just put it there.
Nuts to light
And
it
then
up.
I'm glad it's not Cassian, because there is lots of Cassian cards in here.
Oh.
But it's you know, you don't want a guy that's left
Toronto's
already,
right.
right?
That's why hopefully he'll give it to me.
Pearls. I love
Give
I
Cassie
love
to
Alex Burrows.
Toronto's lighting it up.
Oh, this is a thick one.
Come on, Toronto.
This is a thick one. Is it a booklet? Yep, it's a booklet.
There's your Chicago.
For the Chicago Blackhawks, number 149 of 249, the base of Patrick Sharp.
I got the other teams. Oh,
He's still got a-
Canucks.
You still got a Teravainen coming up.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of redemption
Speaking of.
time, who's it gonna be?
We have a rookie patch redemption, most likely. It is acetate, premier acetate, patch to 299. It can be one of the big guys. For the Boston Bruins, Seth Griffith,
The big guys are 199.
199. Yeah. Seth Griffith for the Boston Bruins.
I got nothing yet. You got anything yet?
No.
Okay.
I think
You got one, right? You got 2?
Yeah,
or one? You got 2.
Got
Boston.
one on this one.
I got
Same
one. Yeah, no, I got 2 big.
Okay, we have our booklet coming up, and it is for the Vancouver Canucks.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Holy
What the hell is
Canucks,
going
man.
on here?
Oh my God.
Old Judge likes it.
Who's it?
Bill
Oh my god,
Horvat.
I'm not talking. Holy shit.
Rogers Arena,
Oh my
1995 to present.
Oh my
Bill
God.
Horvat.
What is it? What's this now? One of.
Nice gold autograph as well. Has the information about the rink. That's so cool.
Jesus,
Oh,
Blowing it up today.
They're just lighting it up. Like, wow. There's
Next
some
card is for Montreal. Number 18 of 25. Yeah, Montreal has a lot of hits in this. Jonas Natanen, number 18 of 25. 3-color patch for the Montreal Canadiens.
That's a trash talk.
Can I see
Yeah.
over there? I wanna see this. I wanna see
Everyone's like, get out of here. Stop it. This, that.
Dude, SBA, I got nothing from you there.
I know.
Case and a half.
Yeah. Almost 2 cases,
You got
nothing.
2 cases and nothing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember that. You got a lot of Clendenning.
Yeah, exactly.
For the San Jose Sharks, a jersey of Joe Pavelski, number 32 of 125.
Time turn around.
Reinhardt and San Jose. For the Minnesota Wild, a rookie autograph to 49, number 23 of 49, Christian Folin. And we finish box 2 with a rookie base for the Boston Bruins of David Pasternak.
That's not Pasternak Clouds.
The base.
It's a base one.
Base rookie for Boston. Okay, tin 3 is 356. It's funny when we just said they're not sending any Vancouver cards to us. Boom.
That is crazy.
Counting.
Yeah. What else is there for Vancouver?
A couple of other variations.
Veteran-
Of
veteran- and there's- actually,
yeah.
one on one here.
Stinky Lace, there you go.
Oh, yeah, you got a card on the board.
For the Stinky Leafs, number 144 of 249 at Belfour.
Smell fine to me.
No Hayes yet. No Kevin Hayes yet. Our rookie patch auto is one color patch for the Columbus Blue Jackets, number 267 of 299, Marco Dano.
You get thick sleeve for that, I think. Is it thin?
Oh yeah, no,
No, it's
thick one. Oh, for him, yeah, that's a thin one.
Oh, it is
Sad one color for that. Hopefully it gets better in this. Back-to-back Columbus
Wow.
hit. Rookie signatures, Kirby Reichel for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Yeah, go ahead. Dual jersey for the Florida Panthers, number 52 of 75, Alexander Barkov and Jonathan Huberdeau.
Eddie Belfour, nice.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Nice. Eddie the Eagle.
Eddie the Seagull.
For the Tampa Bay Lightning, number 6 of 125.
He thinks Canucks.
I know.
Steven Stamkos.
Right now.
I thought it was Toronto too for a sec. Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. We have a mega patch coming up, and it is for the Dallas Stars, number 3 of 4, Jamie Benn.
That's me.
Yep, that's Andy. Very nice. 3 of 4
Nice.
for the Stars.
Nice, man.
This is, you put them together, it'll be that whole logo.
No, I gotta start collecting.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
you're trying to get me in every break.
Yep.
I gotta make some burrows so we're on the same.
And Corbin Knight, base rookie for the Calgary Flames, ends tin number
These
3.
patches are all bulging out, eh?
Yeah.
All the patches.
All the
Yeah,
patches are
local
bulging
boy,
out.
too. He's a
Blow
he's
her
not
up.
local.
Tin 4,
Yeah.
354. It's been a
That is
good
really
case.
nice patch.
Good case,
That's a
honestly.
really nice patch.
Very good case.
Oh, 1993?
Hey, that's
That's a Boston patch, right?
Nope,
Oh no,
that's not
Jamie
good.
Jamie Ben. I thought it was that. No, I thought it was Sagan. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thought it was Sagan and an old Boston jersey. Come on, let's get 2 more monster hits. Okay, we're building a wall here.
That's a nice. These patches are so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, there's another thing bulging out here, as it's. Yeah. See, there's like space
Yeah,
in
it is.
between. For the Anaheim Ducks, number 89 of 249, base of Ryan Getzlaff. Our rookie patch auto is. There you go.
Wow.
Wow.
You call it.
got it.
You
Ernie.
called it.
Good job, Ernie.
You called it, Ernie.
If it doesn't fit, is this a 130?
Yeah. What were they thick?
No, those are pretty good. I think,
Those are regular. Yeah.
Number 56 of 299 for the Tampa Bay Lightning rookie patch autograph, Andre
Yeah, you put it in
Vasilevsky.
yeah.
That's nice.
Damn, that's nice. That's a beautiful card. Wow.
That patch is bulging.
Good
Is
job,
that what you're talking
Upper
about,
Deck.
bulging?
Yeah. Good job, Upper Deck. Did really good with the patches in this one. We have a thick redemption. Let's go. It is UD Premier Acetate to 49.
Oh my God.
Ooh. For the
Taylor Hall.
Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall.
Nice for Lee.
Yeah.
That would be a sick looking card when it comes in.
Number to 40.
Taylor Hall, number to 49 for the Oilers. Come on.
Little
Well,
late
these
there.
are really nice hits.
Yeah.
For the Ottawa Senators, jersey to 125, Eric Carlson.
That thing's awesome.
For the
Oh,
Stinky
there we go,
Leaf,
the second one.
jersey number 98 of 125, Eddie Belfour.
Oh, I got 2 Eddies.
You got the base Eddie and a jersey Eddie.
Yeah, you need an
then
Eddie
you gotta
patch.
complete
the,
They're like Got the rainbow.
For the Carolina Hurricanes, a rookie autograph to 299 of Andre Nistrasel. Wasn't he Detroit? Nistrasel?
Yeah.
Yes, he
I
was.
have a young gun
He was-
acetate
he
of
was-
Nistrasel with Detroit.
He was Detroit.
Yeah, it's right here, yes.
110 of 299. Is it right there? Yeah.
Andre Nestor.
And Andre Nistrasel. And we finished this tin, number 79 of 249 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Kirby Reichel.
Man, Columbus had everything.
Yeah.
Who has Columbus?
Final tin is tin number 378. So far, I am very happy with this product, and I think Upper Deck did a good job, especially with their patches.
Yeah, their patches are amazing.
Yeah, they are.
Totally.
Just wish they
Most
didn't have
impressive.
2 regular jersey cards in a tin. That would have been awesome if they didn't have that.
Yeah, the jersey cards.
Yeah. If they had 1, it would be good,
Yeah,
right?
and then they put it two.
Yeah. They definitely did a good job, Grant. UD Grant. We have a base card for the New Jersey Devils. Jaromir Jagr, 232 of 249. Yeah, definitely some of the best patches I've seen so far. Our rookie patch autograph is for the Stinky Leafs.
Oh, nice.
Number 175 of 299 with a beautiful patch, Stuart Percy.
Nice hit.
Very nice. Look at that patch. You don't hit that for the Leafs, man.
For Kobe.
Okay, for Kobe, okay. We'll do it for Kobe.
Their patches are beautiful.
Nice
Oh.
patch.
Yeah, they bulge at you, eh?
Nice hit.
Yep. Look, even the things are coming out.
Yeah, I know, I just seen that.
Nice. We have a super rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers, number 55 of 99, Shane Gostisbehere. Gots to be here. His autograph shrunk though. He used to be bigger than that.
Just like the way he plays.
55 of 99, Shane Gots to be here.
It has to be here.
We have nice Brett Hall, number 9 of 25 for the Dallas Stars, Brett Hall. Nice 3-color patch.
That's another one of mine.
Yep,
Nice. Good hit.
very nice hit for the Stars.
The team I wanted, I got nothing. The team I bought out.
Yeah, the
shouldn't
Buffalo
be.
had not a single card in
Nothing.
both cases.
Yeah, nothing.
Weird. For the Montreal Canadiens, a dual jersey, Larry Robinson and Guy Lafleur, but Vancouver came up for it.
Yeah.
Made up for it, I meant. For the Buffalo Sabres, rookie autograph, number 227 of 299, Nicolas Delorier.
Nice. I was just talking no Buffalo. And
As
boom.
soon as we said no Buffalo,
over
it
to
was.
This next
Have a good
card.
night, Grant. Thanks for stopping by. And we end this break with a base rookie for the Arizona Coyotes, Tobias Reeder.
Hey, do you got any of those more of those big top loaders?
Wow. Case was awesome, but I know there's a lot of you guys that were not happy because you did not get anything, especially my 2 super fans for their teams, Islanders, Rich F, and Detroit, Nick K, as well as Domi with his Winnipeg.
Yeah.
Sorry if I missed anyone else, but I know these guys are super fans of their teams and they did not get a hit. Thanks everyone for joining us again. Another awesome product by Upper Deck. Hopefully we'll get more of these. As I said, distributors out of stock. But I am planning to get more in. We got a few more tins left here in the store. We might do a mixer on this for the Sunday. If anyone needs any tins, let me know. And thanks for joining us. See you soon.
That one's too thick.
It's a thicker, it's a thicker
That
one.
one's thicker.
Yeah.